Hey there, and welcome. So, it feels like everywhere you look, people are talking about ChatGPT. And I know it can sound super complex, maybe even a little bit sci-fi, right? But it's actually way more accessible than you might think. In this explainer, we're going to cut through all the jargon and get you started on your very first AI conversation. Let's dive in.
All right, so here's what we're going to cover. First, we'll take a quick look back at how this whole AI conversation thing got started. Then we'll get right into what ChatGPT actually is. After that, we'll peek under the hood to see how it works. I'll walk you through setting up your first chat. And finally, we'll talk about why this all matters so much right now.
So, first up, a new conversation. Why does it suddenly feel like AI is just everywhere? Well, while the buzz might feel brand new, the story of conversational AI has actually been unfolding for decades.
The thing is, this technology didn't just pop up out of nowhere. It actually started way back in the 60s with really simple programs like Eliza, which could kind of just mimic what you said. Then things got a lot smarter with something called natural language processing, which helped machines actually get a grip on language. Then came machine learning, letting them learn from data. And now, with deep learning, we have tools that can hold conversations that feel surprisingly human. It's been a long journey to get here.
Okay, so that's the backstory. Now let's get to the main event and meet the tool that's on everyone's mind, what I like to call your new creative partner, ChatGPT. So what is it exactly? Well, to put it simply, ChatGPT is an advanced AI from a company called OpenAI. And its whole job, its entire purpose, is to have conversations with you, to understand what you're asking, and then create responses that sound incredibly natural. But look, that technical definition doesn't really capture it, does it? A much better way to think about it is like a creative partner. Seriously, it's a tool you can brainstorm with, ask for help writing an email, or even use to kickstart a bunch of new ideas for a big team project or just for yourself. So what makes it so different? Well, for starters, the conversations feel really natural. But here's the real game changer. It maintains context. It actually remembers what you said earlier in the chat, which is a huge leap forward. And on top of all that, it's built to keep learning and getting better every time you use it.
All right, so we know what it is. Now for part 3, how does it actually work? Let's take a quick, super simple peek under the hood and demystify some of that magic.
Yeah, the technology behind all this is, incredibly complex. But don't worry, we are not about to get lost in a bunch of technical jargon. The whole goal here is to take all that complexity and just make it simple.
It all starts with data, a lot of data. Imagine feeding an AI a gigantic digital library that contains a huge portion of the internet. We're talking books, articles, websites, you name it. That was step 1. It basically read a massive chunk of human knowledge.
Now, this part is super important. By going through all that text, the AI didn't learn to think or understand the way we do. Instead, it got incredibly good at matching patterns. Its main job is to predict the most likely word to come next in any given sentence. You can almost think of it as the world's most sophisticated game of fill-in-the-blank.
And finally, there's the human touch. After all that initial training, the AI is fine-tuned by actual people who reviewed answers, they rate them, they provide feedback, and that helps teach the AI what a good, helpful, and safe response really looks like. So it's not just about raw data, it's also about guided learning.
Okay, enough with the theory. Let's get our hands dirty. Section 4 is all about getting you started on your very first conversation, like right now.
Getting started is honestly this easy. Just head over to the OpenAI website, find that sign up button, and create an account with your email. You'll get a verification link sent to your inbox. Oh, and don't forget to check your spam folder just in case. Click that link and boom, you're in. That's all it takes. Now, before you type your first question, remember this one key thing. The secret to getting great answers is asking great questions. That question you type in, that's called a prompt, and it's everything. The more clear and specific you are, the better the results you're going to get. You're the one driving the conversation.
And when you log in, the interface is super clean. The main chat window is right there in the middle, waiting for your prompt. Over on the left, you'll see a history of all your past chats, which is really handy for picking up an old conversation right where you left off. It's designed to be really intuitive, so just have fun exploring it.
Okay, let's zoom out and bring this all together in our last section, why this matters. Beyond just being a really cool new piece of tech, what's the big picture for you?
So, what are the big takeaways here? First, this is a seriously powerful tool that can boost your creativity and your productivity. Second, and this is a big one, remember that it has limitations. It's a pattern matcher, not a real thinker. So it's important to have realistic expectations. And maybe most importantly, by understanding these basics, you're not just watching from the sidelines anymore. You're now ready to be a part of the conversation about AI's future.
And that's your crash course. This tech isn't just a tool. It really is the start of a whole new kind of conversation, one that's going to shape our world in ways we're just beginning to understand. So now that you know the basics, there's really only one question left. What will you say?